This is Natarajan Vishwanathan from Cadence Design Systems. In this video, I will be providing an overview of the ISPD 2011 Routability Driven Placement Contest. Before I begin, I would like to thank Dr. Patrick Madden for all his effort in organizing this special session. And I would like to thank the ISPD Organizing Committee for inviting me to be a part of this session. My co-organizers for the contest were Chuck Alpert, Cliff Z, Joa Lee, Giju Nam, and Jared Roy. All of us were at IBM in 2011. Moving on to the motivation and key objectives of the 2011 contest. The ISPD contest began in 2005 with a focus on placement. The primary objective of the 2005 placement contest was minimizing the total wire length. As you can see, placers typically pack the dust logic in blue to get the best possible wire length. This was followed by the 2006 placement contest, which introduced a cell density based penalty factor to encourage spreading. This can be seen in the second figure, where the placement of the dust logic is more spread out. Although half perimeter wire length and placement density are important first order metrics for evaluating placement quality, they do not address a key design requirement, which is routability. Subsequently, we had the 2007 and 2008 contests on multi-layer global routing, which led to the development of many high-quality academic global routers. All of this motivated the following questions. Given that routability is a key design requirement, to start, how do we evaluate routability? Also, can placement and routing be completely independent, especially on advanced technology nodes? We all know the answer to that, and that is a big no. This led to the next question. How do we effectively combine placement and routing to perform routability-driven placement? To answer these questions, we conducted the ISPD 2011 contest on routability-driven placement. The first objective of the contest was to release new benchmarks derived from advanced industrial ASICs with numerous placement and routing blockages, a complex non-uniform layer stack with varying width and spacing across layers, other constructs like pins on higher metal layers that allowed standard cells to be placed under them, non-rectangular nodes which can complicate placement, cell density computation, and routing. A second objective of the contest was to provide a standardized and accurate congestion analysis framework to evaluate the routability of the placement solution. Now looking at the ISPD 2011 benchmark suite in more detail. As mentioned earlier, these were derived from real industrial ASIC designs from IBM. We extended the bookshelf format to enable both placement and routing. Designs had numerous placement and routing blockages, as well as a complex metal stack for routing. Design size varied from around 450,000 to 1.3 million placeable nodes and nets. They also had varying white space with design density from 28% to 60%. Moving on to the contest evaluation. We used an actual global routing tool to evaluate the routability of the placement solutions. The tool had to satisfy various requirements, namely, handle the new benchmarks, have a reasonable runtime, moderate overflow reduction, and importantly, be stable. For this purpose, we actually had a mini contest amongst 5 academic global routing tools to pick the one that served as the global router for contest evaluation. So in some sense, this was a contest within a contest. The evaluation metric was the total overflow of the routing solution for any given placement. In addition, we had a runtime factor to encourage faster turnaround time, wherein placers had a 4% advantage or disadvantage in terms of overflow for a 2x speedup or slowdown versus the median placer runtime for a given design. So the primary metric for contest evaluation was the scale total overflow considering placer runtime. In case of a tie, we used the scaled tile-to-tile routed wire length as a tiebreaker. I would now like to talk about the extensions and impact of the contest. Based on our learning from the ISPD 2011 contest, we conducted the DAC 2012 contest on routability-driven placement. We released another set of benchmarks as part of this contest. A key change was that we had an improved metric to measure the global routing congestion. Also, the quality metric was now based on the scaled wire length considering routing congestion and overflow. Subsequently, we conducted the ICCAT 2012 contest on routability-driven placement, wherein we modeled pin density and considered the impact of local wiring congestion when evaluating the placement solutions. We also released a design hierarchy to see if this could provide some guidance to obtain more routable placements. In terms of impact, the three contests have garnered numerous citations over the years, with research being conducted in multiple areas such as routability-driven placement, congestion prediction, etc. In conclusion, as part of this contest, we released industrial benchmarks reflecting the complexity of nanometer scale placement and routing. We also provided a standardized and accurate framework to evaluate the routability of the placement solutions. As I mentioned earlier, this has advanced academic research in multiple areas such as global and detailed routability-driven placement, global routing, fast and accurate congestion analysis. As with the other contests, this was one more step to better align academic research with industry requirements. Thank you.